Hello everyone, myself Mrs. Nisha Shirpoli, Assistant Professor, Department of Pharmaceutical Quality Assurance, Kelly College of Pharmacy, Belgavi. Today I am going to cover handling of return goods in pharmaceutical industry. It's a very essential part of quality assurance in pharmaceutical industry, which is SOP handling of return goods. What is the scope? To define role and responsibility of various functions responsible for handling of returned and reject goods, whose responsibilities are those: QA manager, QC manager, production manager, and warehouse manager. What is the procedure? We should ensure that all the returned goods are handled in the following manner. There should be no mistakes in identifying of products and batch numbers. Defective or substandard products should not be mixed with goods products, and it should become liable for offering for sale. The handling and disposition of returned products should not contravene any statutory requirements or any statutory bodies. Complete documentation is available on all operations on returned products for receipt to final disposal. Any goods which have returned from the market for any one of the following reason is treated as returned good. Return goods on advice of drug control or regulatory authorities from market customers. Return stock from distribution office due to date of expire of products. Damaged of broken primary containers. Leaky or broken seals of closures of primary containers which are in direct contact with the product. Mutilated, submerged labeling rendering the product unidentifiable of its name or batch number. Soiled labeling rendering the products unaccessible or unpresentable aesthetically, but otherwise clearly identifiable for product name or batch number. Return goods for any other voluntary reasons. Return goods for impairment of any analytical report reported by the customer. Next is the return good will be received by finished goods warehouse. The stocks will be placed in secured area under key and lock, which is adequately segregated and labeled with the reason for return as per the reasons mentioned in assistant, finished good assistant and senior executive production. A description of the condition in which goods will be entered in the return good assessment report by assistant finished goods or senior executive production. The return good assessment report will be sent to QA executive. Then the QA executive will physically inspect them, the condition of the return goods, and enter all his observations in return good assessment report and send the report to General Manager Quality Assurance. Based on the above observations, QA manager will decide whether reanalysis should be done and it should be considered for reuse or rectification. Either the material should be destroyed. If the reanalysis is required, QA executive will send the return good assessment report to QC executive for arranging for sampling and analysis of the material. Then the QC will collect sufficient sample. The sufficient sample should be performed with at least 3 minimum of analysis. Individually, each container, if required, or representative sample for all the containers as per the requirement of parameters to be checked, and also send the same sample to the external authorized autonomous laboratory. The QC will test the material as per laid down specifications. Any analytical report with relevant details will be prepared by QC executive as well as the external laboratory to explore the possibilities of consideration for reuse and destruction. Based on this analytical report, the General Manager Quality Assurance will decide whether the return good can be reused or they should be destroyed. The return good assessment report will be also approved by the General Manager QA. The report is then sent to Warehouse Manager, who will prepare and coordinate for the actions and action plans or product cycle action plan. The action plan should be approved by General Manager QA. The QA will monitor action plan throughout the operations till the return good is reworked or disposed of. In case of destruction, the return good disposal record shall be filled in format and filed with the QA along with return good assessment report. The product assessment report along with return good assessment report should be sent to General Manager of Plant for his authorization, and same shall be filled with the Quality Assurance Manager. Now this is the flow chart for handling of return material or product. Return material or product will come. Warehouse manager will document it in detail, the return goods file register or filing, and inform the quality control officer. If the material is expired, the return good will be destroyed as per the SOP. In case the condition is doubtful, the sample will be analyzed as per the current product specification. If the sample meets product specification, it may be reprocessed as per the SOP and provided the subsequent product must meet the appropriate product specification. In case even the sample meets specification, further investigations should be done. In case the investigation or specification is not fulfilled or the test is failed, the material is destroyed as per the SOP. So this is the flow chart regarding handling of return material and product in pharmaceutical industry. This is the filing procedure for filing SOP of return good. So your department will come, which department, subject, SOP number, the format number. These are the things which you should mention. These are the titles. Okay, return product or rejected good product should include name of the product, batch number, manufacturing date, expiry date, date of rejection, date of received goods, received from, reason for rejection, return good assessment report, and the analysis report by QA officer should be attached. Even the return good assessment report should be approved by QA executive, and you should mention what are the precise action measures taken on the return of the product or complaints which is came for return of the product. This is the remarks by QA manager who has prepared, who is analyzing, and it will be authorized by the manager QA. These are the references. Thank you.